Hello friends, myself Lata Awad, Assistant Professor in Department of Chemistry, KVN 9, Arts, Commerce and Science College, Canada Corner, Nasik. Today we will discuss enamine concept. This concept is useful for MSc student. Before that, to get notification of new videos, subscribe my channel at Lata Awad Chem Education. Let us see what we will study in today's lecture. First, introduction and structure of enamine. Second, reactivity of enamine. Third, preparation of enamine from symmetrical ketones. Fourth, preparation of enamine from unsymmetrical ketone. Fifth, reactions of enamine. And sixth, application of enamine. Let us see one by one. First, introduction and structure of enamine. Enamines are the alpha beta unsaturated amines, which is also called as vinyl amine. Here you can see the structure of enamine where R is substituent. Next, reactivity of enamine. Enamine acts as a ambident nucleophile molecule which have a tendency to donate electron via two or more like or unlike atom are called ambident nucleophile, and in enamine nitrogen and beta carbon are acts as a ambident nucleophile according to the condition. So the condition for beta alkylation, lone pair of nitrogen and pi orbital of carbon carbon double bond when in zero dihedral angle, then beta carbon of enamine acts as a nucleophile and result in beta alkylation reaction take place, which is also called as carbon alkylation. And condition for N alkylation is that lone pair of nitrogen and pi orbital of carbon carbon double bond not in zero dihedral angle, then nitrogen of enamine acts as a nucleophile and results in N alkylation reaction take place. Next we will see the preparation of enamine from symmetrical ketones. Alpha hydroketone is treated with secondary amine. In the presence of azeotropic mixture, we got enamine as a product. As I said, alpha hydroketone, that means alpha hydrogen is must for the reaction. Those moiety does not have alpha hydrogen, which does not gives enamine. Here you can see the reaction. Cyclohexanone is treated with pyrrolidine. In the presence of azeotropic mixture, we got enamine, which is also called as N1-cyclohexenyl pyrrolidine. Generally use secondary amines for the enamine synthesis like as pyrrolidine, piperidine, marpholin, etc. If we use primary amine instead of secondary amine, we got imine as a product, and if we use tertiary amine, then formation of quaternary ammonium salt take place instead of enamine. Due to this, only secondary amine is used. Now we will see the mechanism of reaction. Lone pair of nitrogen of pyrrolidine is attack on pi star orbital of carbonyl carbon of cyclohexanone. After loss of water molecule, we got enamine. Next, preparation of enamine from unsymmetrical ketone. Alpha hydroketone is treated with secondary amine. In the presence of azeotropic mixture, we got less substituted enamine as a major product because this alpha substituent create strong steric crowding with this alpha substituent of pyrrolidine. Here we can see the reaction of enamine. Now we will see the mechanism of reaction. Lone pair of nitrogen is attack on pi star orbital of carbonyl compound and loss of water molecule take place and formation of less substituted enamine take place. Next, reaction of enamine. First one, alpha alkylation by using enamine. Enamine is treated with active alkyl or allyl halide followed by hydrolysis gives alpha alkylation. See the reaction. Enamine is treated with alkyl halide followed by work up with water. We get alpha alkylation. Now we will see the reaction of this reaction. Lone pair of nitrogen is delocalized over the carbon-carbon double bond and beta carbon acts as a nucleophile and attack on electron deficient carbon of alkyl halide and form iminium salt. This iminium salt is an intermediate of this reaction. Followed by acid hydrolysis, we got alpha alkylated product. Next one, alpha acylation by using enamine. Enamine is treated with acyl halide followed by hydrolysis. We give alpha acylation. Here you can see the reaction. Enamine is treated with acyl halide followed by work up with water and we got alpha acylation, or which is also called as 1,3-dicarbonyl compound. Here we can see the mechanism of reaction. Lone pair of nitrogen is delocalized over carbon-carbon double bond and beta carbon acts as a nucleophile and attack on pi star orbital of carbonyl carbon of acyl halide and formation of iminium salt. This iminium salt followed by acid hydrolysis, we get alpha acylated product or 1,3-dicarbonyl compound. Next we will see the applications of enamine. First one, here by using enamine we can synthesize the mono alpha alkylated compound. For mono alpha alkylated compound, enamine approach is well preferred over enolate approach. Next is for synthesis of 1,3-dicarbonyl compound. Next, for the synthesis of 1,5-dicarbonyl compound. Next, for the synthesis of delta gamma unsaturated ketones. So it's all about enamine concept. If you like my video, then press like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.